comment was actually on one of my makeup videos, my 7-hour Fenty face video. And the person says, do a naked Sunday on your best ever anal, please. Why? Why should I do that? Sounds like more of a yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. Hey bunnies, for today's Naked Sunday we are going to be answering some questions. Let's start that. Oh, okay, here. All right, am I here? All right. Hey bunnies, for today's Naked Sunday, I'm going to be answering some questions that a bunch of you have left either on videos or sent to me in direct messages. So if you follow me on social media, I did let you guys know that I will be answering some questions for this Naked Sunday. So if you have asked a question, it's about to be answered right now. Before we start, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. This is just my cup that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. It's glass, it's red and red straw, blah, blah, blah. And I am drinking Smirnoff vodka with, what is it? Cran mango. That's like one of my favorite combos. That's what I'm drinking right now. Go ahead and grab yours so we can start this video. The first question I'm gonna answer is a personal question, and it is, are you single? No, I am not. For those of you who don't know, if you've been living under a rock, if you forgot that I mentioned this, if I haven't said this in many of my other videos, I am very much married. I've been married now for over a year. I've been with my husband for, this is our 6th year together, going on 7 in February. I am not single. This comment was left on my tasting flavored condoms with my girlfriend video, and the question was, how about cum taste? And I'm thinking that's in reference to, because we did the taste of condoms, the taste of cum. I've done multiple videos on the taste of cum, and I'm gonna say this, it depends on the person that you're with, it depends on the person's diet, it depends on their lifestyle. If it's a person who drinks all the time and eats a bunch of red meat and a bunch of salty stuff and non-healthy stuff, the cum is gonna taste awful. If they drink a lot of water, they eat the vegetables, the fruits, they have some kind of active lifestyle, then their cum is gonna taste pretty good. This was left on my analingus video. What do you think of Gabrielle Union doing her husband? My take on this is, you do what you want when you want with the person that you're with, behind closed doors, in your car, in a garage, in a park, wherever you want to do it. Once it's between you and another consenting adult, do whatever your heart contents. How do I feel about it? I don't care. That's their relationship, that's their match, that's their sex life. If he likes it, great. If she likes doing it, even better, because we all know that it's more fun when both people enjoy performing, doing, and receiving the acts. This is on my Dick Riding 101 video. Just started watching your videos to help with some of me and my boyfriend's sex life. I tried riding him but couldn't really get his member into me. LOL. My boyfriend's on the smaller side, but it knows how to hit all the spots. How can I make it more enjoyable? Now, I do have a video on little penises. I have a couple of videos on little penises. And what I will say is that if you have a guy who's on a smaller side, you riding is not going to be the best position. Even though you're saying he hits all the spots, riding is not that one position that's really going to give you the maximum sensation from the act. Okay, better positions are doggy style, you on your back with your legs in the air. Missionary is definitely out, riding is out, reverse cowgirl is out. Positions where he is doing the work mainly are the ones where you're going to enjoy more. Hope that answered that. This is on my rim job versus analingus video, and the person asked, do you like both? I don't know what they mean by do I like both. Do I like both guys and girls? Yes, I do. Do I like both rim jobs and analingus? In that video I did, was it this one I said I didn't get? No, I don't remember. But do I like both rim jobs and analingus? I do like both. They're both amazing sensations, and if you haven't had it done yet, when it does happen, you're going to enjoy it. That's all I have to say. This is on my fisting 101. I think this is my second video I ever made, and the person asked, is fisting painful? I don't know. I think that depends on the female. It depends on the size of the person's fist. I personally have never been fisted, so I don't know. It could be one of those painful things that people like just enjoy or whatever, but me personally never been fisted, so I don't know what it's like. On my Are You With a Fuckboy video, somebody asked, do anal cream pie naked Sunday? Do you do it? Anal cream pie, what do I feel about it? Would I do it? Cream pieing is not really something, I don't think I've ever had it done. It's not something that I have asked for or has been asked of me. So no, I don't do it. How do I feel about it? Again, I don't care. It's your life. It's your, you know, do what you want to do in your relationship. Do, you know, whatever. If you want a cream pie, homie. I don't care. Me personally, again, have never been asked, have never done it. So for those of you who don't know what a cream pie is, especially in this context where he's like, anal cream pie is when you're having anal or doing anal and the guy ejaculates inside of you and he pulls out and the cum is like coming from your ass. This one is on my Let Me Jack You Off video. My girl gets mad because I fantasize about other women when I jack off. Here is the thing, ladies, and I'm pretty sure you do this as well. If not, hey, whatever. Guys, and a lot of us girls, including myself, when we masturbate, half the time we're not thinking about our partner. And if we do, it's because of that one time where it was just so freaking amazing. It brings back all these. You fantasize about the things that, well, like, I can't even explain it. I really can't. Because for me, I fantasize about things that have never happened or maybe even will never happen. My fantasies are mainly about females, so you can't get mad at your guy for fantasizing about other girls or other guys or other people or whatever the case is. It is what it is. It's their fantasy. It's their dream. If you want to make that fantasy a reality, then that's a different story. Okay? If don't get mad at him about that. And guy, if you're watching this, tell your girl, like, show her this video. Like, if you want him to stop fantasizing about other people, be his fantasy. Okay? Okay. Okay, so this is on my No Anal Before Marriage. This person said you should stop your alcoholic addiction. First of all, I'm not an alcoholic. Okay, so let's just get that out of the way. There are lots of people who are suffering from alcoholism, and this is, yeah. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna say about that. Alcoholism is not anything to joke about at all. So yeah. Last question I'm gonna answer. So this is on my Are You With a Fuckboy video. The person said, so how is it worse for a man to call a woman a bitch, whore, and slut than a woman calling a man a fuckboy? Now, the context that I use the term fuckboy in, when I said if he calls you a whore, a slut, a bitch, or anything out of your name, he is a fuckboy, is the fact that if he does it, then it makes him a fuckboy. He's not a fuckboy before it happening, but after it happening. And I did answer that question under that comment, but I feel like I needed to answer again for other people who may misconstrue it and think otherwise or whatever when it comes to me calling someone a fuckboy. They're not a fuckboy before, but after the fact. If you didn't get that, I'm sorry, slowed it down for you. That is what I meant. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you have a question that you're too embarrassed to ask in the comment section, my email is in the description bar. Go ahead and send me a message. Thank you guys again for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.
Body baby, oh, his body baby, oh, yeah, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go.